Hello viewers, how are you? My name is Danish Raza and I am an HSC professional. Right now I am going to discuss the basic interview questions with respect to occupational health and safety. Right now I am going to discuss some questions from permit to work. The very first question is, what is the purpose of GI 2.100? Basically, to establish minimum requirements for issuing and receiving work permits at Saudi Aramco facilities and project sites or restricted area. So, GI 2.100 is minimum requirements for issuing or receiving work permits at Saudi Aramco. The second question is, what is work permit? Basically, it is authorization to perform specific construction, maintenance, inspection, or repairing activity on specific equipment and or in specific area. The very third question is, what type of activities require work permit? Means, what are restricted activities? So, activities or tasks those have been designed or selected by proponent organization manager as requiring implementation of the work permit system to perform them, no matter their location is within or outside organization facilities or location. The fourth question is, what are minimum criteria for restricted activity? So, any activity that pose or create a hazard to personnel or damage to equipment or facilities or disruption of operations or harm to environment. And the fifth question is, does all activities need work permit? No. Low risk activities as determined by proponent organization management may be exempted from work permit system or work permit requirement. The sixth question is, who will decide that permit is not required for particular work, job or activity? The proponent organization management will decide that permit is not required for the job. It does not finish the role of proponent organization manager, yeah, or proponent organization management. The seventh question is nature of job is only criteria for requiring a work permit? No, there are other factors those lead to obtain work permit. For example, restricted area. The eighth question is, what is restricted area? So, locations that have been designed by proponent organization manager as requiring implementation of work permit system. And the ninth question is, what are the minimum criteria for a restricted area? All areas where hydrocarbons, flammable liquids or gases or toxic agents are handled, stored, piped or processed in bulk quantities. For example, petroleum, gas and chemical plants or pump stations, bulk plant, loading piles, oil gas wells, marine vessels and areas where flammable oxidizers, reactive and or toxic materials are handled or stored. The second areas where explosive and radioactive materials are stored, and water and gas injection wells, pipelines, water or sewage treatment plant, uh, lift stations and cooling towers. Also areas within 23 meter or 75 foot of hydrocarbons containing pipelines, manifolds or scraper launcher or receiver. Also areas within 15 meter 50 foot of energized power line. and electrical substations as per Saudi Aramco electrical substation SAES P119 substation and areas within classified location as electrical area classification described in Saudi Aramco rules and regulation. This is it. Hope you have understand the conceptual details with respect to occupational health and safety. I would try to deliver conceptual headline answer for interview question with respect to occupational health and safety. Feel free to contact in case of any. Thank you.